It has enough resolution to measure the thickness of the paint, the repeatability to level your 3D printer bed, the accuracy to align the stock material on your CNC machine, the sensitivity to detect a vibrating wire, the sampling rate to measure the part runout at operational speed. Our patented ultrasonic technology employs simultaneous amplitude, phase, and frequency data for precision distance and vibration measurement and micromotion detection. Introducing alignG-S2, the most advanced, cost-effective, compact, non-contact ultrasonic sensor ever made. It works on any surface, bouncing the non-destructive sound waves: metal, wood, glass, plastic, water. The Arduino-compatible development board with OLED display makes it a functional part out of the box. No programming or electronic skills are needed. However, if you're a developer, there are analog, serial, and PWM distance signals and vibration PWM signal available to start a new challenge. When using the development board, LED 0 shows the micromotions to monitor the 3D printer's filament movement, spool rotation, or used for mechanical part stall detection. LED 1's intensity shows the surface vibration level or the runout level of a rotating part at operational speed.